In today's video, I am going to teach you how to find Mailerlite archives link. This is useful when you want to share a previously sent email campaign with someone outside your subscriber list. Add it to a website, include it in a message, or simply save the public version for later reference. Mailerlite creates a unique archive link for sent campaigns, and that link lets others view the email in a browser. In this tutorial, we will go through the process slowly, so you know exactly where to find it. To begin, log into your Mailerlite account. Once you are signed in, make sure you are on the main dashboard, where you can access the different areas of your account. You may see options for subscribers, forms, automation, sites, and campaigns. For this process, the area we need is the campaigns page, because archive links are connected to email campaigns that have already been sent. Now navigate to the campaigns page. This is where Mailerlite keeps your email campaign activity. Depending on your account layout, you may find campaigns in the main menu or side navigation. Click on it to open the campaigns section. Take a moment to let the page load fully, especially if your account has many campaigns. This page is where you can review drafts, scheduled emails, and send campaigns, so it is important to be in the right section before moving forward. Once you are on the campaigns page, look near the top of the campaign list for the available tabs. You should see a tab labeled Sent. Click on the Sent tab. This step matters because the archive link is available for campaigns that have already been delivered. If you are looking at drafts or scheduled campaigns, you may not see the same archive option, since those emails have not been sent yet. After you click Sent, Mailerlite will show you a list of your completed campaigns. This list may include the campaign name, subject line, send date, and other performance details. Now you need to find the specific campaign you want to share. Look through the sent campaigns carefully and choose the one that matches the email you need. If you have many campaigns, use the campaign title, date, or subject line to help identify the correct one. Once you have found the campaign, open the options for that campaign and click on the View Email tab. This will take you to a preview version of the email. The preview lets you confirm that you are looking at the correct campaign before copying the link. It is a good idea to quickly scan the email preview at this point, especially if you have similar campaigns with similar names. This helps you avoid sharing the wrong archive link. Now that the email preview is open, look above the email content. You should see a field that contains the unique archive URL for that campaign. This is the public link connected to the sent version of the email. It is unique to this specific campaign, so every sent email will have its own archive URL. This is the link you can share with others when you want them to view the campaign online. Next to that archive URL field, look for the Copy URL option. Click Copy URL. Mailerlite will copy the archive link to your clipboard. After copying it, you can paste it wherever you need it, such as into a document, a message, a website page, or another tool you are using. Before sharing it widely, it can be helpful to paste the link into a browser window and open it just to confirm that the correct email appears. That is the full process. Log in to Mailerlite, go to Campaigns, open the Sent tab, choose the campaign you want to share, click View Email, and copy the archive URL from the field above the preview. Once you know where to look, finding the archive link only takes a few moments. That covers everything you need to know.